Remember, the 5th of November, the day Guy Fawkes tried to turn Parliament into confetti and failed spectacularly. Now, humans mark the occasion with bonfires, fireworks, and masks that say, "I'm edgy, but also historically confused." It's rebellion turned seasonal, like pumpkin spice, but with more gunpowder. I've seen uprisings fueled by injustice, bad soup, and one very cursed accordion. Symbolism is slippery. One minute, you're a traitor. The next, you're a cultural icon sold in bulk. So, light your fires, wear your masks, but remember what you're remembering. Not just the man or the moment, but the power of dissent, the danger of silence, and the weird human habit of turning history into a seasonal event. Also, maybe don't give explosives to children. Hey, did you like that video? Why don't you like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe you'll see more.